During 2025-26, the state has made budget provisions for setting up of Bharat Mata canteen and night shelter so that people coming from far can stay overnight and have food in Agartala at a low cost. Now we have 450 students are studying MBBS courses in both the government and private hospitals of the state. The number of seats in the postgraduate level is 119. During the academic year 2023-24, with only 50 students, the BDS course was started. Now we have started our government dental college. So in that college, the number of seats has increased to 63 from 50. A foundation stone has already been laid for the new building of our Agartala Government Dental College at rupees 202 crore and has been allotted by the donor ministry for the construction of new building of dental college. And in that college, the latest treatments are now available, like 3D printing, laser treatment, etc. and so on. We are emphasizing on studies at the Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology and PSC nursing colleges. Nursing and pharmaceutical institutes have been established at the government and private sectors level too. The state government is also developing infrastructure and expanding medical services, not only in Agartala but also in district and sub-divisional hospitals. The tendency to go out of the state for treatment has decreased significantly. And the main reason is that many complex diseases are already being successfully treated in the state. Presently, the government is giving more emphasis and importance on telemedicine services. Trauma Care Center has been started at Gumati, Dholai and South District Hospital, and very shortly we are going to start in North District also. Our government has approved new district hospitals for Khumpui and Sipaijola district. 100 more beds has been increased in the Gumati District Hospital. One homeopathic medical college is going to be established in Agartala, and another Ayurvedic medical college will be started. Integrated Ayush Hospital of Gumati district will be started there. So for that we have been given for each of these institutions 75 crores from the Government of India. There is a proposal for establishment of a new medical college in Dholai District Hospital at Kolai. We are also planning to establish a health university in Tripura. In cabinet already with our colleagues we have talked and we have passed also. So it also would be visible within a short period of time. Successful implementation of various central government projects and programs in the health sector in the state. Out of this 5,49,000 families in the state, Ayushman cards have been issued to a total of 16,17,346 beneficiaries up to 31st January 2026 under Pradhan Montri Jan Arogya Yojana. Claims for amount worth rupees 277 crore have been settled. Out of 266,637 families in the state, a total of 5,83,502 beneficiaries have been issued Ayushman cards under Chief Minister Jan Arogya Yojana up to 31st January 2026. 71,947 beneficiaries received free medical services under this scheme in various hospitals and outside the state. Claims worth rupees 37 crore 52 lakhs approximately has been settled. 128 Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers are operational in the state from 2024-25. Establishment of 200 bedded MCH health wing at AGMC JB Hospital is in progress. A foundation stone for the establishment of drug rehabilitation center at Bisramganj has been laid. An amount of rupees 121 crores and 90 lakh has been approved for this project. 50 bed drug addiction centers will be set up in phase manner in 8 districts. Already last year's budget we have passed in our this assembly. Plans are underway to set up. This is for your sake and for good news to you. Plans are underway to set up 100 bed tertiary eye care hospital in Agartala.